2 plus 2 is equal to 4, both for a believer and for an unbeliever, because God exists. There's a kind of paradox there, because it's through God's grace and His goodness that people come to understand truths that were initially in God's mind. But that simple truth of 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 is a good illustration, I believe, not only of how God reveals Himself, but also the suppression of that truth. Because if you think of the truth as 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, that's always true at all times, all places, unchangeably, well, those are attributes of God. It's reflecting God's unchangeability, God's omnipresence, God's eternality, God's immutability, and also God's personality, because it takes persons to understand the rational character and the language-like character of mathematical truth. What is language about? Well, it's the language of the complexity that we use is only language that persons are capable of using. So I believe it's really the personal character of God is displayed, as well as other attributes, his immutability, his eternality. And unbelievers, along with believers, rely on that. They rely on the fact that this is always true. It won't change. And they rely on it. They rely on its rationality and its accessibility to the human mind. We're created in the image of God. They rely on all those things, but they don't give thanks. That's what Romans 1 says. It says, you know, we know God because He's revealed in the things He's made, but in our rebellion, we don't give thanks.